Hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. In this project idea series in Android, we are going to discuss a new project idea, which we are going to taking the tuition note application, building your Android development skills, and you can also use it as a project in your college project or any of the assignments. So let's move to the introduction part. In introduction, the tuition note application is a practical and a hands-on project designed to enhance your Android development skills. By in creating this tuition application, you are going to enhance your Android app development skill. This project provides beginner with an opportunity to build a functional Android application from scratch, offering a step-by-step guidance and all the necessary source codes we are going to provide you. So, what is the problem statement here? So, aspiring Android developers often seek the projects that allow them to apply the theoretical knowledge in a practical context. The tuition notes application address these needs by providing beginner with a structured project guide to develop a working Android app. Okay, so what is the solution we are going to do? The tuition notes application project guide offer a comprehensive tutorial for building an Android application that enables the user to manage their tuition note effectively. So in this, we are going to create a application known as tuition notes. So with that enable user to manage their tuition note effectively by following step-by-step instruction and the utilization provided. We are going to provide you the source code, and beginners can also gain the hands-on experience in this Android app development and build a strong foundation for their portfolio which is very necessary in the job or in the college. So what is the key feature we are going to use in this application? First is the user authentication. We are going to enable the user to create account and login security to access their tuition notes. And second one is the note management. Allow all the user to create, delete, and tuition notes and organizing them based on subject and the categories. So third one is the reminder functionality. We are going to add a reminder functionality as well. Provide user to option to set the reminder for the upcoming tuition session and the deadline. Fourthly, we are going to use the data persistent. Implement the data persistent to ensure that the user notes and the setting are saved across the app session. And the fifth one, which is very important, a user-friendly interface. We are going to offer the initiative of the EasyTools interface for seamlessly navigation and interaction. So, thank you everyone. So, if you have any other idea as well, we are going to help you with that as well. So, you can just connect us as contact@codework.com. So, thank you for listening.